Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make DIY lollipops. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. You'll also need your favorite flavoring, like a few drops of food-grade essential oil. Don't forget lollipop sticks and a silicone mold. Make sure your candy thermometer is clean and ready to use for precise temperature control. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Place the pot over medium-high heat. Stir gently until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and insert your candy thermometer. Continue heating the mixture until it reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Carefully stir in your chosen flavoring, about 1 teaspoon, and a few drops of food coloring if desired. Work quickly, as the mixture will begin to thicken. Pour the hot, flavored syrup into your prepared silicone molds. Then, promptly insert a lollipop stick into the center of each filled cavity. Now for the final step. Let your lollipops cool undisturbed at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, or until they are completely hardened. Once firm, carefully pop them out of their silicone molds. They should release easily. Your homemade lollipops are now ready to enjoy or package for gifts. For more great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the description below for links and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.